Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn environment in Microsoft Fabric. So let me explain what is environment in Microsoft Fabric. So basically it's a unified platform for managing all your hardware and software settings. Within this environment we can do multiple things such as we can choose various Spark runtimes tailored to your specific needs. Second, we can adjust compute resources based on our workloads or our requirements. Third, we can easily install libraries from public repositories or from a local directory. Okay, now let me explain you how you can create an environment in your workspace. Like as you can see, I have already created this test env as my environment, but we are going to create a new one. Now click on this new item and scroll it down until you will see this analyze and train data. Here we have environment option, just click on it. So I've just simply named as test underscore 2 env and yeah, click on create option. Now congratulations, you have finally created your first environment named as test underscore 2 env. Okay, now it's time to learn about their components of environment in Microsoft Fabric. So the first one is library, second is Spark Compute, and third is storage. Now let's see each one of these components in brief. Now let's learn what is library. A library in programming is a collection of pre-written codes that developer can utilize to simplify their work. That means by using libraries, we can save our time and efforts by not having to write code from scratch to do a common task. And in libraries, we have three different types of libraries. First one is built-in libraries. So these are pre-installed libraries that come with the Fabric Spark runtime. They provide a wide range of functionalities for common tasks and data processing needs. Okay, next is public libraries, and these are external libraries sourced from popular packages like PyPI for Python and Conda, and these libraries can be added to your Spark environment to extend its capabilities. Last one, we have custom libraries. These are specifically those which we can create by ourselves and by any organizations. They contain code tailored to your unique requirements and can be packaged in specific formats for use in Fabric. Okay, now let's come to the second component of environment in Microsoft Fabric, which is Spark Compute Configuration. So this platform is designed to deliver unparalleled speed and efficiency, and it also includes two types of pool. First is starter pool and second one is custom pool. So let's understand what starter pool is. Okay, so starter pools provide a fast and easy way to use Spark on Microsoft Fabric platform within seconds. Spark session can be used immediately without waiting for nodes to be set up, and this allows for quicker data processing and insights. Whereas custom pools offer the flexibility to choose number of nodes, their sizes and other configurations. This approach saves time by eliminating the need to set up a new Spark pool each time a notebook or a Spark job is run. This pool typically takes about 3 minutes to start, and Spark must retry the nodes from Azure. Now next, in Spark Compute we have pool details in which we have node family, node size and number of nodes. Auto memory optimized means that the system automatically selects servers optimized for memory intensive tasks. Whereas auto refers the system which chooses the best server type for your needs without having to manually reconfigure it. Whereas memory optimized means the servers have more RAM compared to standard servers, and they are designed for workloads which require quick access to large data sets. Next we have node size. So size indicates the capacity of each server. For example, a medium size usually strikes a balance between performance and resource usage, like it's not too big or too small. So next we have number of nodes, and this tells you how many of these servers you want to use, ranging from 1 to 10. More nodes can handle more work and improve performances. Now, coming on a Spark Driver core, we have 4 or 8 options in our drop down box. So, it indicates the number of CPU cores allocated to the Spark Driver for processing tasks. Like 4 core means Spark Driver can utilize 4 CPUs. Next is Spark Driver memory, which refers to the amount of RAM allocated to the Spark Driver process, and this memory is useful for storing drivers metadata and maintaining task states, etc. So in memory allocation we have 28 GB and 56 GB in our options. So if Spark Driver has access to 28 gigabyte of RAM, then it allows to handle large data sets. But if he has 56 gigabytes of RAM, then the driver can manage even more data and perform more intensively. Next is Spark Executor Core. So in this, whatever value we are giving here, we are just informing that executor can run 4 tasks at maximum in parallel. And if the resources are not ready, then executor will understand on its own and it will run as many as much as possible and remaining task in queue. Okay, so after this compute configuration, we have Spark properties section. So it helps you configure and optimize your Apache Spark workloads for maximum performance and efficiency. Spark properties provide a way to fine tune Spark's performance, resource utilization, and behavior across notebook and job definitions. By configuring these properties, you ensure consistent setting and optimize the execution of your workloads, allowing for more efficient processing and resource management. Now, let me give you an example for Spark properties. So we can enable scaling by setting spark.dynamic allocation.enabled for configuring the maximum number of executors. So for debugging, we can also turn on detailed logging with spark.eventlog.enabled to capture job execution detailed for troubleshooting. Now use this feature in your environment to unlock better performance for your workloads, and don't forget to hit publish button to apply your changes. Now this acceleration setting in this environment is designed to enhance the performance of Spark workload by enabling advanced optimization feature. Its key offering, the native execution engine preview, accelerates Spark job using state-of-the-art optimization technique to improve efficiency and execution speed without requiring modification to existing workloads. This feature available at no cost and can be activated by selecting the Enable Native Execution Engine checkbox. Once enabled and published, the optimization applies to all notebook and Spark job definition within this environment. User can also save the changes without applying them immediately. By leveraging this engine, user benefit from faster job completion time, improved performances, and seamless integration, making it ideal for data processing, analytics, and machine learning workloads. Now, resource section in this environment allows you to manage files and dependencies for Spark workloads such as notebook and job definitions. Through upload option, you can upload Python libraries, jar files, R packages, scripts, configuration files, and or reference datasets, which are automatically made available in all Spark sessions. This simplifies setup by centralizing dependencies and eliminating repetitive uploads. Changes made in this resource section are automatically published. For example, you can upload a custom Python library, a configuration file, or shared scripts, making them instantly accessible across all notebooks and Spark jobs in the environment. Okay, so there is one option also you can set up in your environment, and that is runtime. So let's understand what runtime is. So Microsoft Fabric runtime is a part of Microsoft Azure, and it's a powerful tool in Azure, and that helps you manage and analyze large data set using the speed and efficiency of Apache Spark. It is widely used in the industry for data analysis and engineering tasks. Now, Spark is useful for handling big data tasks and making it easier for data engineers and data scientists to work with massive data sets. And whereas Delta Lake is an extra layer added on top of Spark that improves how data is stored and managed. So, in short, Apache Spark is a fast tool for processing big data, and Delta Lake enhance Spark by making it data storage more reliable and consistent. Together, they provide a strong foundation for working with the data in Microsoft Fabric runtime. Now, this video comes to an end. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I truly appreciate your time and interest. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you.